Hello everyone, we're going to continue with the review for test 1 in contemporary mathematics. So let's read the instructions. Use the Venn diagram to list the elements of the set in roster form. Again, roster form is enclosed in braces and each element is separated by a comma or with a comma. So in this exercise, I just want to highlight that the box represents the universe, and then what we have inside are the elements inside the universe. So if we look at the question that we are asked to answer, A intersection with B, and then they want the complement of that. So A intersection with B will be this part here. This part is A intersection with B. And A intersection with B, if we were to answer in roster notation, it is 11, 12, 14, no, I'm sorry, incorrect, is the middle numbers. It's 13 and 17, that is the A intersection with B. But that is not what you're being asked to find. You're asked to find the complement of that intersection. So basically what it is not here, so this is what is in the intersection, so what is not in the intersection, so the complement of that is excluding these values. It will be 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. So 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, that will make it answer B for number 16. So we're going to continue on to number 17. So on number 17, you are provided with information and you are to complete the Venn diagram. So something that I want to highlight as I read it, I'm going to identify the different parts they're given and how is that all connected with the Venn diagram. So I'll read it, and it says there are 777,859 physicians in the United States. So they're giving us the Venn diagram already made, and that 777,859, that means that is the sum of all elements. That's the sum of all elements in the universe. And the number is 777,859. Then we continue reading, and then it says 177,000 are board certified. 177,000 are board certified. And later on, they want you to use the letter B to represent the physicians that are board certified. So that is where this letter here above the circle represents everything that is not in the other circle. So this is your A. So everything that is in green must add up to your board certified. So board certified is the entire green circle is board certified. So that is 177,030. And then they give you information about the other set. It says that use the letter C to represent the physicians specializing in cardiology. So this right here, specializing in cardiology, this is B, and the number for the entire, including the overlap, is 33,947. 33,947. Let me fix my number. 33,947. So that is the entire orange circle. So as I mentioned at the beginning, if we add all of these numbers up, oh, we have one more item. 6,117 are board certified in cardiology. So what that means is that the intersection that is right here, this intersection is 6,817. So this number here is 6,817. That is what the intersection is. So that is the intersection. Therefore, that is part orange and part green. So if I only want to have the value of the ones that are board certified, this is board certified, this is the grass, this is letter C, is 6,817. That is set C. Is all the physicians. I'm sorry, I put letter B in here and it's letter C. B and C. B and C. I apologize for that. So in order to be able to determine what is just in the green, what is just board certified, we must remove the intersection. So we will have the 170,030 and then you subtract the 6,817 and that will give you the values of the ones that are just board certified. So this will be, I'm using Diego here, it is 177,030 and then you subtract 6,817 and that gives us 170,213. 170,213. Okay, so the green only is 170,213, just the green without the overlap. And we'll have to do the similar procedure here to find the ones that are cardiology, have cardiology as their specialty. That is going to be from the total, that is the entire orange circle, we are to subtract 6,817. So we'll enter that in your calculator. It is 33,947 minus 6,817. That is 27,130. So that is what we have so far. But then if we add everything up, if you add the 77,213 plus the 27,130 plus the intersection, all of that does not add up to the universe that was given as 777,159. This right here is your universe, the sum of the universe. So if you add all that up, that doesn't add up to the 777,859. Therefore, in order to find out what is outside of the circles in the Venn diagrams, but still inside the box, we're going to have to subtract all the numbers that we have, the 170,213 minus the intersection, minus 27,130. So the resulting number will tell you what is still inside the box, but it's not part of the circles in the Venn diagram. So let me put it here to the side so that we can see it better. So it is 777,859 minus 172.13 minus 68.17 minus 27,130, and that will give you 573,699. Okay, so those are the amount that is outside of the circles, but inside of the universe. So now this is going to be asking you two questions. How many physicians in the United States are there who are not board certified, specializing in cardiology? They're not board certified, but they're specializing in cardiology. So that is the 27,130. How many physicians in the United States that are not board certified, do not specialize in cardiology? How many physicians in the United States that are not board certified do not specialize in cardiology? So they're asking you for everything that is outside of the circle. So that's the 573, 699. So now that's it for this question because we're going into 10 minutes.